The bun is bigger, the buns are bigger, and I got a lot to talk about. That's right, everybody. I am back, and I'm super excited to start bringing back Teach Me How to Lightroom on a regular basis. I'm super excited to just continue to empower everybody to be better and better and learn more and more within Lightroom and things like that. I'm also gonna be bringing some new stuff to the channel. The number one thing I keep getting asked for is please, please, please bring us some presets. Well, I got good news for you. The presets are done. They've been packaged up. They're all pretty. They're ready to rock, and those will be available for sale very, very soon. Better believe there's gonna be a huge announcement for those. The next thing I've been working on is mentorships. Now, this is all about trying to grow your photography business, trying to start your photography business. Basically, we're gonna analyze exactly where you're at. We're gonna interview you so that I can get a grasp of where you wanna go. And then we're gonna peel that back and go step by step, exactly the steps you need to get there. Mentorships coming soon. And then in general, I'm just gonna be bringing more and more photography-based videos and business-based videos to the channel. So I'm super hyped up about everything. The next Teach Me How to Lightroom drops next week. I'm super pumped, and I'm really excited to get this content train back rolling again. And if you made it to the end of the video, I super appreciate it. Let me know down in the comments what you're most excited about. I know for me, I'm most excited about the mentorships. I really, really love helping folks out and just bringing them to the place where they want to be. Well, I'm James Young with James Young Photography, and I'll see you real soon.